Hi guys, Albrecht Wessels here. So let's quickly talk about a giveaway. So what is a giveaway? It's basically what you're going to give to clients in exchange for their contact information. So you're going to run the ad on Facebook and say, let's say for example, you're a real estate agency. Then you create a guide or a checklist or a video that you can actually go and give to the clients in return for the information, as I said. So let's say, for example, you created a guide, a checklist on 5 things to watch out for new buyers. Then you create the PDF, then you just go and give it to the clients when they give you the information in return. So in the next video, you see if you go and watch the opt-in video, it shows you exactly how to go and give the free giveaway away and then receive the information. Okay, so let's quickly get started about the options and the different type of giveaways you can have. So the first one is going to be a digital asset or digital download. So that's going to be really simple PDF. Don't go and create anything else. People can copy stuff off a PDF, I know. But go and use a PDF because it's the simplest. Don't give away a Word document or any other type of format. Keep to PDF. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to create one or two things. Or it's going to be a checklist. Or it's going to be a guide. So basically a checklist. 5-point checklist for what to watch out when you're buying new homes. A guide is going to be something like how to go and a guide on for new buyers or first-time buyers, something like that. Keep it really simple. So it doesn't really, the naming, you can play around with it, see which one works the best for you. I've used both of them, got great results from, so in my point of view, it really doesn't matter which one you choose, just keep working on one of them. So when I'm done with this video, you guys must go and sit and go and create your digital download. It's the easiest one to go and do, and you can do it really fast within half an hour. Okay, so that's the download or the digital download that you guys can use. Next, we're going to have a webinar type option. So a webinar is going to be a bit more difficult for you guys to use. So it's basically where people give the information, in return they go and watch a workshop that you guys are presenting. So you get live webinars and all that type of stuff, and this one I'm going to talk about where you actually go and film a video and you just put it up in your funnel. In the next video in the opt-in I will explain to you guys where to actually go and put it and how to use it. But it's just for basically to entice people to give the information to you so they can watch the free video, the workshop or whatever the content is that you're giving away. So what I would recommend here, it's a digital workshop. So that's basically going to be just between 10 to 15 minutes. You're not going to sell anything in this video. It's literally just going to be a little workshop that you're giving away free value to clients. I know people run webinars where they actually go and do selling and so on. But I would really recommend you getting started with this first, learn how to go and use leads properly and the email response, all that type of stuff before going and stepping in how to sell in webinars. It's a bit more difficult. The software is also very expensive to use, and this you can just use for free. So basically how you're going to use it, you're just going to film it on your iPhone or your Samsung, whatever phone you have. You're literally just going to take your phone, turn it sideways, let someone film you while you're doing the little workshop, and you're going to upload it to YouTube as unlisted. There's hundreds of guides on YouTube how to do it. You can just go and check around and then literally just take the URL link and paste it into your funnel. You can use it for any software. You literally just take the link and you paste it in there and the software will pull the video up for you. If you want to be a bit fancier, you can use something like Vimeo and so on to go and host the videos for you. But for now, stick to YouTube. It's 100% fine. Okay, so as I said, the digital download you guys can use is going to be a PDF and it's going to be a checklist or a guide. The next one you can use as well if you have more time, it's going to take a lot more preparation and so forth, is a webinar. So then you just go and make a digital workshop between 10 to 15 minutes and that's all guys. Just stick to this, keep it really simple. If you get this to work for you first, then you can branch out to more intense webinars and so on. Alright guys, so that's it.